So if you want to make your Instagram account private or public, it's actually very simple. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and load up Instagram. Once Instagram has been loaded up, you want to click on your profile icon in the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, you then want to click on the three lines in the top right, and that will take you to a menu. And once you're on the menu, you want to click on settings just at the top. Once you're on the settings menu, you want to click on privacy, which is the third one down, and then you want to click on account privacy just underneath connections. Now you notice my account is not on private and it's on public, so you want to toggle the icon. Now this pop-up box may appear for you, and you can go ahead and review your followers if you want, because they will no longer see your account unless you've approved their follow. And if you want to go back to a public account, just toggle this switch at the top and then click on change, and your account is now public where people can see your profile. Bear in mind that this can only be done on a personal account and not a business account. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. You can support the channel by donating a coffee with the link below. Thanks for watching and have a good day.